Corona. India is galloping towards third position. Curve is long way away to start flattening. There are confirmed cases of 10 million in the world and 5,50,000 in India, of which 0.5 million deaths in the world and 16,000 in India. Therapy is inching in. Vaccines are circling around. Distance, mask, wash, immunity, nutrition, work from anywhere is still the mantra. Technology helps. Tracking apps, data analytics, dashboards, drones, info guide, teleservices, et al. These crises are echoing. Let us live and evolve with life and nature. Let us transcend from just seva and sangarsh to seva, sangarsh and samsodhan. This effort multiplies the results manyfold. Let us go towards more life, nature, centric living, thinking, action, leading to augmented knowledge and evidence for and with us, and by us soon. Confirmed negative growth. Maybe we have to call it depression. Micro enterprises have halted. There are shut shops everywhere. Recovery could be longer. Increased transient unemployment, poverty, inequity, drained savings, decreased credit availability, dried up informal credit flows, inadequate cash flows from state, and may not increase significantly. Climate crisis compound the life on this planet. Only lives are at stake. Planet goes on. Let us be free from fear. Let us alter our ways of living. Let us care for life that needs support. Let us care for the last person. Let us march together. Let us be together. Let us include all. Let us admit our mistakes. Let us be frugal. Let us work with local short value chains. Let us pray. Let us have thinking action. June 28, 2020 marks the beginning of centenary year of the scholar, reformer, educationist, Prime Minister of India during 1991 to 96, P.V. Narasimha Rao. P.V. Narasimha Rao is closely linked to my alma maters, which is Surveil Gurukulam, Residential Junior College Nagarjun Sagar and NIT Warangal. He is referred as father of economic reforms, which is liberalization, privatization and globalization. He was born in Laknepalli and is a native of Vangara in current Telangana. He finally rested in 2004 at Hyderabad, P.V. Gyanabhoomi. He served as Chief Minister of Combined Andhra Pradesh in 1971 and 72 and implemented land reforms. First residential schools of the country have been started at Surveil, Tadikonda and Kodigenahalli. Residential Junior College at Nagarjun Sagar and Degree College, Silver Jubilee Degree College at Kurnool. Subsequently, we have residential schools coming up in a big way, which is 4 to 5 per district for girls too. Ashram schools for tribal children. Navodaya schools, 1 per district, have been started in the country when he was Human Resource Development Minister at Government of India. When he was to become PM, he was considering to accept the headship of Siddheshwara Peetham, Kurtalam. A polyglot, he knew 11 Indian and 6 foreign languages. Sahasrapan, translation from Telugu into Hindi, is very famous. His book, Insider, was also well received. Living in 2020 and beyond. Future calls for hybrid of deep expertise, which is core competence, unique skills, depth, and generalist integration ability, breadth of perspective, ability to connect the dots, ability to generate the dots, ability to appreciate advancement in technology, ability to handle increased or increasing uncertainty, realization that past performance does not guarantee future results, more skill sets and more toolkits in hand, access to more skills and more tools, agility, flexibility, reading widely, broad spectrum, systems thinking, interconnectedness, disruptive impacts, multifunctional experience, multi-domain grasp, multi geographic insights, multicultural appreciation, immersions, general cognitive ability, metafishing ability is to be appreciated and imbibed. We need to have life centric, nature centric approach, a philosophy, a way of thinking. As technology takes deeper roots, we human beings become less useful unless we deliberately focus on being useful. Artificial intelligence takes over many human tasks. Our tasks need to be reinvented more frequently, again and again. Some of us, majority of us, may end becoming unemployed and unemployable. Virtual, hybrid worlds may take charge of engaging us. We seek meaning in life in these worlds. These includes isms, ideologies, lifestyles, screens, books. We seek happiness in the mind, brain. We seek happiness in the journey. In life, we seek happiness within, equated universal happiness. As we have limited knowledge of the elephant, and as we do not realize that, we end up drawing conclusions, mostly mistaken conclusions. Our incompetence does not allow us to realize this. In fact, we remain or become confident in our opinions and articulations. Unrecognized ignorance drives us. Many a time, this ignorance is linked to our self worth. The old dogs in the mind let no new dogs easily. We lack the skills, tools, and abilities to assess the old dogs within us, to silence them, to shun them. Even if we get feedback, can we keep reminding ourselves that there are a lot of things we do not know, and the one part we think we knew 100% is not true? Many small parts are still not known to us, not understood by us. Let us realize that it is one consciousness that is spread all across cosmos. Its modes and quanta differ. Agroecology practices take us closer to this consciousness. Health and well-being of humans, life, soil, and planet. The elements include multiple crops, 365-day green cover, livestock, integrated farming, landscape management, local value addition, local self-reliance, short value chains, family food nutrition, health security and equity, low cultivation costs, increased proportion of consumer rupee in the hands of the producers. State could get out of subsidies. Forests would be back. Biodiversity, unfallowing, regeneration, collectivization and aggregation, communitization, community-owned value chains, outlets, produced consumer linkages, IT platforms are the essentials. Towards increasing land and water productivity, towards living without debt, towards nutrition security, towards living soils, towards resilience, towards dignity, towards universalization, towards covering the entire planet. Let us hurry up on natural farming platform and natural farming coalition nationally and beyond. It is possible to take the work closer to the nature and deliver globally. Work closely with global teams. One can add local work into the portfolio, like teaching, caring, farming, value addition, planning. This may improve or increase nutrition, health, savings, care, usefulness, and happiness. This is the culture of self-employed families. Can we hybridize this now for more and more of us? While every entrepreneur is a social entrepreneur in some sense, some are more social than others. They tackle world's most urgent issues. They work under intense pressure in under-resourced situations. Path is often lonely. They often overlook their own well-being. These lead to high burnout, mental health, and relationship breakdown incidences. 50% is the guesstimate among the successful. Their well-being and well-doing are closely interrelated. Performance is optimal when the pressure is in the stretch zone. If it comes into strain or burnout, the performance drops significantly. Art and culture that appeal to hearts and minds can play a significant part in keeping the pressure within the realms of stretch zone. Life does not have to be so stressful. Simple life can help in making it less stressful. It increases happiness. When the crunch comes, we just need air, water, nutrition, clothes to cover, shelter for shade, engagement, and entertainment. Simple life includes silence, solitude, reflection, and meditation. It gives us more time to ourselves. As we reduce time for materials, we get time to invest in our relationships of quality and intensity. Friends improve our heart, mind, and brain health. Be generous and keep doing good. As consumption comes down, we have less debt. Need for money, incomes comes down. Health improves. Focus improves. Planet can feed more. Planet's health improves. We become beings. To have is not important. To do may be limited to be. It is time for us to learn and start living in post-COVID window and beyond. Let us be life-centric, nature-centric, with hybrid portfolio of skills of core and generalist, deep and integrated, management and leadership. Let us be leaders with these portfolios. Let us build leaders with these portfolios. Let nature take and keep us there. Join us in the world of yoga. Navanipuna Yoga 7L. Krishna confirms he takes charge of guiding us to him.